The Russian Ministry of Defense has announced the deployment of the S350 Vityaz air defense system in the Donetsk region of eastern Ukraine. The Donetsk region holds significant strategic importance for Russia, primarily due to its geographical location and resource richness. The Australian government is set to enhance its military capabilities by acquiring Switchblade 300 drones from the American company AeroVironment. The Switchblade 300 is noted for its lightweight design and ability to carry an explosive payload, making it highly portable for military operations with range of approximately 10 kilometers. Poland will consider transferring at least one additional MiG-29 squadron to Ukraine. The possibility of transferring additional fighter jets to Ukraine was considered during the signing of a security agreement between Ukraine and Poland. However, it will not be possible in near future as these aircraft are currently involved in patrolling as part of the NATO program. The Indian Navy indigenously developed air-independent propulsion technology is reportedly ready and will be fitted on Scorpene submarine in the Indian Navy fleet by next year. An AIP enhances a submarine's underwater endurance between battery charges by 3 to 4 times, thus reducing its vulnerability to detection.